Rajinath Bab, काल अलिना चीफ मिनिस्टराक मेळ्ळी आनी शी सेड that this double tracking and कितें issues are specially for coal only. You have been fighting on that. Now
Yeah.
she has also come and joined that support.
Yeah.
कशें पळयता तुमी?
See, it is very clear. MPT's plan for the next 5 years shows transportation of coal, coke and coal. Coke to be used for plants, sponge iron plants and iron plants, not for power. Even that they don't show in the Port Trust plan, master plan for the next 5 years. It is basically for coke and coal. Now, all these issues, I am not an expert. But one thing is sure, coal is going for that double track. Nobody can deny. Nobody can deny. Port Trust can't deny. Nobody can deny because of excessive filling that is going on the port. Berths are given to Adani and to JSW. For what? Adani for what? What they are doing, you know. They are taking coke and coal from for which plants, you know. So it is very clear. They can't cheat. They can't tell lies. So it is for coal. Coal will damage Goa's interest as far as health is concerned, ecology is concerned, and both as far as health is concerned of Goan.
And now everybody says even Mole projects are connected with coal and all. आज पावर मिनिस्टरान म्हटलें की बाबा तो पावराक लागून आनी हायवे हा तो हायवे बरो करपाक.
Nationalization of rivers, tell Power Minister, nationalization of rivers, the highways and double tracking is for coal exclusively because of National Highway going right up to the Port Trust. Vasco National Highway is going right up to the Port Trust and from Port Trust is going via Bori to Karnataka. See, they have done even access, they have done freeway to take coal. Exclusively for coal. ही सगळी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर करून तेणें आमकां दवरपा करपाची नॉट फॉर कोल. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर केल्या तुमी कोला केल्या पूण आमी तुमकां कोल व्हरोन दिवपा नाय.
आज पावर मिनिस्टर म्हटलं ट्रांसपोर्टेशन विल टेक प्लेस feeder. He says for what it could be. You can't
Why
tell.
didn't he clearly say it is not for coal? Ask him a simple question. Tell him to say it's not for coal. Let him say it is taking anything. What he's taking, he doesn't know. Tell him what he takes is Port Trust business. Tell him to make one categorical statement saying that it is not for coal. Finish. That's it. Kapasita deha dekha. He has got no capacity to make that statement. And don't think Alina is a fool to make such statements. She is quite intelligent enough and quite sincere enough and honest enough to tell what is the truth.
Now, since you are also demanding on this, saying that the government should revert back coal food issue or Mole projects, if time needs, you could also take action.
Even highways, double highway must have brought Zapak, always problem now. Todin Zado Italy, no doubt. But double tracking of railway line, this project even has to stop because the damage that will do for the double tracking dongraचे वयर क्लिफाचे वयर जो तरी आहा आख्खो क्लिफ ब्रॉडन करूंक पडटलो. डबल ट्रॅकिंग करपाक इज नॉट सो इजी. दूदसागर तुका तूं नेणा थिंग कितें चलो तें बेश्टो एक ग्रावंड मारन चोय. आमी भोंवल्याय थिंगा आमी दूदसागर चलोन गेलो आहाय वयर. आमी रेल्वे लायनीन गेलो आहाय. आमी फ्लायटीन भोंवलो नाय आनी तेदो ड्रोन येनासले. तेदो आमी मोटरसायकलीन आमी वयर आय रिमेंबर आय हॅव गॉन बाय जीप रायट अप एंड देन वॉक्ड इट अप अ लिटल. Jeep things I'm jeeping gale, my Zolan gale. Some years back. I mean, what a place. Nature won't forgive us for destroying that.
CM should clearly
nice
come out with a statement on this, you see.
See, CM should come out and I feel that it's time when CM has to save Goa. Has to do something to save Goa. Madhaicher, toy issue. See, now it's time. You can't destroy Goa. And remember, I have a nice, my elders used to tell me, don't go against nature. Nature will take you off.
So you will go to any extent to save it?
Any extent.
Even फाल्यां समज तुमकां रिजायन जावचें पडलें जाल्यार?
अरे बाबा, तो आमदार जायन हे गोंय पिडे जाता आनी तूं आमदार जायन कितें तें? भुरग्यांगे लोकांगे भुरग्यांक आमगे भुरग्यांक विचारपाक तुगे पांय कितें कोत्ता म्हूण नो. आमी जिखोन येयले आमगे पांयक आनी मांयक लागून जिखोन येयलो आहाय. आमगे भुरग्यां आमी कांय लेगसी दवरूंक जायना विच वील गो अगेन्स्ट इंट्रस्ट ऑफ गोवा केन्ना ना फॉरगेट अबाउट इट फॉरगेट पॉलिटिक्स फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ एनी कॉम्प्रोमाइज व्हेन इट कम्स टू गोवा what others say sitting down at home I am not bothered. We are very clear determined for the last from 2012 till today आमी सारखे इशू घेयत आहाय कोणाचें ना म्हणपा जायना.
So you are also firm that government should reject all these proposals. The government should scrap totally.
Government should not scrap all the projects. Highway broadening can take place. Broadening of highway. Rostan traffic होते थोडीच. Whatever can be saved, no doubt. But double tracking आणि coal आणि ती transmission lines for no reason should stop. Damage to ecology is the worst thing that can happen. See, I am not an expert. Please remember, tell me what is it. If we sit, CM, government is in a position to check what is damaged, what is not. He's in a position to find out what will damage and not. Damage that thing corrupt. And in double tracking, exclusively for coal mountain, आता एकूच काम विचारतो गड्या. What is going right now on the railway tracks? You only tell me. Tell me what is going on the railway tracks right now. Only coal. Coke and coal, what I do.